So, daily update. Today I read about server-driven UI, which is basically uh, whatever the user sees is not fixed, not static. It dynamically changes based on uh, the personalization and what is the data about the user. So, basically, what Flipkart, Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato does based on time of day, based on different events, the home screen layout changes. So I was reading about that today, and so it is done by using JSONs and JSON configuration files that comes from the server, and it is also driven by recommender engine. So there are multiple blog posts I found how that is done, and I still haven't found how to dynamically change it or to say how to drive it based on event and how to if I haven't found a good system design on it, so I will find and try to experiment with it. So today I mostly did that, and also I want to look into product categorization, how products are categorized on Amazon, Swiggy, and stuff. So and that causes different UI layouts. So that I will look into. I found articles from Amazon, Flipkart, and Apollo, how these things are driven. I want to understand how these are driven with GraphQL and Postgres. So that will be a good challenging task. Understanding how personalizations work in these apps is a challenge, uh, which I need to tackle. So I will dive more deep into it. I know there are so many things pending. Yesterday I was reading about React Router, and today I'm reading about personalized home screen, server driven UI. So so many things are there, which is fine. Like I'm fine with this kind of approach towards learning, where I randomly head into directions of learning. I found this curious, so I'm just picking this up, and hopefully somewhere I can use it, which is interesting challenge. System design wise, ki how this is implemented, and I'll see. I will try to build a React app around this, where it is the UI is driven by personalized data of the user, and based on time of day, everything it changes. So that is the plan. Yesterday also I added some edits in the UI. Sorry, not UI. Yesterday I added some new editing things in the video yesterday, so that was cool. So that thing I tried to improve, and yeah, I succeeded in improving that. Oh, I also so using Vim. So since I'm also learning Vim as I go into the direction of learning a new editor apart from VS Code. So I have strictly, whenever I do these study sessions, I don't use VS Code at all. Simply try to just strictly use NeoVim. So while I was doing that, I ran into an issue that I want to navigate through files or the file explorer. So I did not find a good way of doing it. So I realized that Vim has its own way of visualizing it, which is called, let me just check. Mm, it's called NetRW, which I don't know what exactly does, but currently it helped me navigate through the file system. I was looking into Nerdtree, but I was just checking how far I can go along just sticking with the defaults of Vim. So that was an interesting exploration I found about uh, how to do file exploration. So yeah, that I searched. I'm looking more into the articles of how to use Vim more efficiently and trying to just stick to Vim strictly. And if I get stuck on a problem, I will just Google it and include it in the Vim RC or like that. So yeah, this is today's update. This is what I did today, And hopefully tomorrow I will try to do a POC on server driven UI and product categorization. That is the plan.